Hey, Frisket. Want it? Do you want it? Ow! Take it. How about you, Panther? Do you want one? Hmm? Do you want one? No. You cannot have the whole container. But do you want a treat? Panther. Panther. You want one? He's like, no, I want the bottle. Hey, Frisket. Someone. Houdini. Okay, Panther. Ow! I need to start wearing gloves while doing this. And Mimi's like, my turn? Frisket's like, give me more. Hey, Houdini, come back. Houdini. Houdini, do you want it? Panther's like, give me more. Ow! So all I'm really teaching them is how to hurt me. Oh, look. I'm bleeding.